In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about the file ecologist. Today, we'll be talking about adding an actual border into Canva. So, the first thing I wanted to do is to understand the actual border. Border is one of the small details that makes a design looks finished instead of thrown together. So Canva has two different ways to do this. So the first one is to select the element that would you like to border. For this particular tutorial, we have this specific element. I select the actual images. So here, click the image and open the border style too. Into this toolbar, I wanted to focus into the border or stroked style icon, which usually here have the stroke style. When I click directly inside here, I choose the actual amount of the stroke weight and automatically will be appearing some specific strokes weight into this actual element. Let's go for 10. And you can change different views of the actual stroke or the border, and there you go. And you can see now into the left section that we have a stroked color. In this case appears as black. I can change this from white if I wanted to. Now what happens if I select all of them at once? And I choose stroked weight and I go for 10. Well, basically all of my actual elements will be having the actual stroked section, and I can choose to change the actual border colors so all of them will be with the exactly the same border style directly applied. So you can set the actual color, you can round the colors if you wanted to, and to do this you go for coordinate rounding, and you can see how all of my actual images will be rounded right away. There we go. So I'm gonna make this a little bit much more cooler, and this style actually doesn't look that bad. Even this from the actual borders of my actual images, I put this directly into the coordinate so everything looks fitable and everything looks correctly good. So I can strongly suggest you to put this to just a little bit much more less of weight directly inside here so you can make sure that everything looks correctly into the style of your image, and you are good to go. So if you have guys any question, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more great tools from Canva. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can all see you guys next time.